Here I am at the Love truck stop. Late night, early morning. We've been boondocking here for the night. I'm up. I got a beeper going off in my motorhome. It'll go off every once in a while. I don't know what it does, but sure is aggravating. Sure is aggravating. It just goes off randomly. I got it all opened up and there ain't no carbon monoxide in it. I got a generator running. But I had it off when it started beeping. It wasn't running when it started beeping. I'm wondering if it's getting old and wore out. I may put a new one in it. See if I can't stop. You might can hear it beeping every once in a while. I get tired of that beeping. It drives me up the wall. It's right in here. Sensor's right in there. Sure is aggravating to me. I just turn the generator off, see if I can't help it. I don't think it'll help it. It come on when the generator wasn't there. I don't know what it is. I promise you it ain't carbon monoxide. No open. I got that window open right there. And I got a window on the other side open. I got plenty of ventilation in there and everything. I ain't figured out what it is. My next step is to change that. See, I got that window open right there. My next step is to change. Now this is a picture of it right here. Now you see right here where it says red, green, end of life. That's what it was doing. It was flashing that fault code right there. And if you look right down here, it says replaced by 60 months. By 60 months. Well, we're sitting at about 84 months now. So I believe that it's a bad one. I got me one ordered, and they called me and told me to come in today. I told them I'd pick it up the next day or two and put it back in. So you might need to, if it starts giving you trouble, replace it. So we're going to replace this one and see if that don't straighten out the beeping sound.
Did you tell them it done it at 4 o'clock in the morning?
Oh,
you
yeah,
to get
man.
up with it?
It's aggravating. It's aggravating. Maybe we'll fix it this go round. That's what it looks like right there. Just goes in there and 2 screws holds it in. I'll take a couple wire nuts and wire nut it back together and we'll be in business. As soon as I pick it up from a RV place.
I'm glad I made this journey with you.
If you like my Papa's channel, Road Maps and Chaos, make sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
We pray we'll see you in the rapture.